Hey folks, Tony here with Sunset Overland Adventures. If you're like me and your Jeep has these ridiculous stretched out net storage compartments on your front doors, you're going to replace them with these Diamuki metal storage replacements. And they're adjustable, so you can adjust them for depth and no more of this, right? Let's get started. We'll adjust it once we get it screwed in. And by the way, in the hardware kit, you'll have these longer screws as opposed to the ones from the factory. And those are because this metal, you'll need a longer screw to reach the screw receiver that's mounted inside the metal of the door, because the short screw will not reach it. And that's on there. So now we'll use the Allen wrench that they give us to adjust the depth wherever we want to set that. Super cool. So from this to this. So there you have it, another easy install with Sunset Overland Adventures. I really like the new look. I like the flag, and the metal is definitely a lot better than those ridiculous stretched out nets. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to the channel, and you can find this again in my Pinterest shop. See you soon.